What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to get rid or how to remove this page or post titles that used to appear in the top of our website headings in pages, posts or custom post types while using our free Anzu WordPress theme. Okay, so before I can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. We bring daily videos about WordPress, themes, plugins, SEO and many more topics in order to use the internet on your favor and have an amazing website. After this, please go to our WordPress dashboard. Make sure that you have the Anzu WordPress theme installed, okay? If you do not have it yet, just go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new and search for Anzu WordPress theme. Click on install and activate it. It's completely free, okay? After this, as you cannot see, in the top of our page we have the page title, okay? So about, that is the name of this page, okay? If I go to my home page, I can see home right here. How to remove this, okay? And how to remove this only in certain pages or only in selective pages, okay? First of all, go to our WordPress dashboard, okay, and find the page that you would like to remove. In my case, it's gonna be on pages, but same for you, can be on products, on pages, on custom post types like theme, portfolio, on posts, depends on your needs. In my case, the page that I would like to remove this is gonna be our test page, so I'm gonna find this page. Here is my page. I'm gonna click on it in order to open the editor. If you edit your page using Elementor, no need to worry, just open the WordPress native editor so you can have this right sidebar of menus. And from this right sidebar of menus, you're gonna scroll it down until we can see the option called Anzu layout, okay? Once on Anzu layout, you're gonna see these options right here, and the one that we're looking for, it's this one, disable title. Select this option, so mark this, click on update button, and no more title gonna appear. Why you may need to remove the titles of the pages? Imagine that you are doing a landing page, that you are doing a promotional page, that you would like to start with a banner, for example, so the title of the page appearing at the top may hurt your layout, okay? So this is how easy it is to remove this page title. How to remove this in the case that you are using the WP Bakery? It's exactly in the same method, okay? So click on edit page. In the case that you are in the page already, you can see still can see the right sidebar of menus, and you still can see the disable title button. Just the interface that changes a bit. If you are using Elementor, once again, no need to worry, just edit the page with the native WordPress editor so you can see this sidebar right here. After this made, we are good to go. Let me go to the about page. As you can see, no more title is appearing, okay? No more page title. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin. It's our free WordPress plugin that gonna gives you widgets, elements, templates and tools, and even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. And to install this, it's very simple. All you have to do is go to our WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search for Borderless, click on install and activate. You are good to go. Once again, we recommend that you install the Anzu WordPress theme in order to have customization features like this one shown into this video, and the theme is completely free and gonna gives you amazing templates and other pre-built websites. And as a final note, in the case that you are in needs of your WordPress or landing page up and running faster, okay? Go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass product, and feel free to count on our support, premium icons, amazing images, and almost unlimited pre-built websites, templates, sections, pages that you can import with a single click only. So we recommend that you go premium, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!